Home automation isn't a thing of the future, it's already here. While it's not pretty essential, it has been shown to enhance and maximize the lives of people who have access to it. Investing in such a system is highly dependent on the sort of services you want and the amount of integration you desire. The finest home automation systems make controlling all of your automated home equipment safe and secure. In this video, we will talk about the top 11 home automation companies. So before starting this video, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. The developing modern house needs home automation solutions. People want to have more modern tech gadgets in their homes for their own ease, like lighting systems, internet-connected thermostats, refrigerators, locking systems, surveillance around the world, and more, making it irritating for you to remember all of the gadgets. The following is a list of the world's top 11 home automation companies. Number 11. Avisio UK. Avisio UK is a home automation firm based in Tamworth, England, started by Ian, Gavin, and Adam. Their passion for advanced tech studies has driven them to develop innovative technology beyond simple requests like turning on the lights with integrated software. Even so, it's a good companion for homes that wish to enhance their lighting, music, security access, and heating control technologies. Once the technology deploys in your house, you may control it with any device, including voice commands, which are ideal for people who have trouble seeing. As a result, Avisio UK is ranked 11th among home automation companies. Number 10. Wink Hub 2. When it comes to home automation companies, the Wink Hub 2 is a powerhouse. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth Low Energy, Z-Wave, Zigbee, Kittle, and Lutron Clear Connect are all supported by this beast hub. The hub is suitable for over 400 smart devices, including Nest, Philips, Ring, Ecobee, Sonos, and more, in addition to Alexa. And if this, then that. All your device functions are conveniently kept under one roof with the Wink app, allowing you to generate a quick command for things like turning on and off lights and locking and unlocking doors. Remember that a Wink membership will need you to pay a modest monthly fee. Yes, to use any of the hub's capabilities, you must have this, which may be a disadvantage for some consumers. Number 9. Hogre Controls. Hogre Controls is an IoT-based firm that works with areas such as smart cities, communities, buildings, hospitality, commercial, living, and working spaces. Their move to smart speakers combines voice control with Z-Wave Plus devices. Smart Series, Touch Series, Enviro Series, and Security Series are 4 primary product categories offered by Hogre. Hogre Controls is a Virginia-based American company founded in 2017. As a result, Hogre Controls is now ranked 9th among home automation companies. Number 8. Samsung Smart Things. Samsung Smart Things is the conclusion of the company's venture into the Internet of Things and smart device development. As a result, any relatively current Samsung electronics item or appliance with a connection capability will almost certainly be able to connect with the central hub. This allows you to easily switch between devices and gives you remote access to all of your home's technological functions. Number 7. Savant Systems. Savant Systems is another firm that started as a home automation expert. They managed to stand out from the crowd by providing innovative smart home controllers effortlessly connected with compatible home equipment from the company's product portfolio. Savant was the first home automation business to mix automation with mobile technologies, foreseeing future developments. Robert Madonna started Savant Technologies in 2005 and has grown to become the market leader in home automation. As a result, Savant is ranked 7th among home automation companies. Number 6. The Notion. The Notion is a home awareness kit with a slightly different service offering than a security system. The Notion is based on a wireless hub and sensors you deploy throughout your home, much like a standard DIY security setup. The wireless wall wart hub eliminates the need for a hardwired Ethernet connection to your router. You can start putting sensors immediately by plugging the hub into any plugged socket and following a few simple instructions in the Notion iOS or Android app. Notion is based on 3 core concepts of home automation: assurance of safety, increased protection, and risk reduction, making technology simple and easy to use. It offers various products including Notion sensors, Notion Bridge, magnets, and others. Brett Juergen's vision is now leading the Notion. It's a startup created in 2014 that works creatively in security and home automation. As a result, the Notion is ranked 6th among home automation companies. Number 5. Vera. Vera provides the top smart home goods to help you create an intelligent and wonderful home. It has a lot of features which makes it a top-rated product. Vera gives technology the upper hand in providing a stable and secure Wi-Fi setup. Powered by Z-Wave, it's a genuine wireless technology designed specifically for home automation. Vera's home automation guarantees that its users worldwide can access reliable technical aid. Vera assists in the breakdown of your complicated systems. Lewis M. Brown founded Vera in 2008, and the company is located in Causeway Bay. Vera is one of the major home automation solutions with roughly 25 workers and some clients. As a result, Vera is ranked 5th among home automation companies. Number 4. Control 4. Control 4 is a cutting-edge technology business that specializes in home automation. It has an extensive range of smart home OS-capable gadgets, from simple lighting and sound systems to more complex security, direct communications channels, and theater systems. The firm promotes its simple setup and usage, including fundamental instructions and menus, while providing sufficient granular control over each connected item or appliance. Control 4 was created in 2003 by Eric Smith, Will West, and Mark Morgan to deliver user-friendly connectivity and home automation technology solutions for households and workplaces. Control 4's products and systems have automated and protected over 400,000 homes in over 100 countries. Number 3. HomeSeer. For the past 20 years, HomeSeer has been the leading technology supplier in the field of home automation. HomeSeer's smart home hubs are a specialist product line. Lights, garage doors, temperature, door locks, water valves, and security cameras have integrated automation and security controls. According to the corporation, its products are simple to set up, automate, and manage. Richard Helmke founded HomeSeer in 1999, and the company has been steadily growing as a result. HomeSeer is ranked 3rd among home automation companies. Hope you like what you've seen so far. Kindly mention it in the comments at the end of the video. Number 2. August Homes. August Homes, a technology company, introduces smart locks, a revolutionary product line dedicated to smart home lock security and technology breakthroughs. August Homes introduced doorbell cameras and other accessories in addition to their famous smart home locks. The company was launched in 2012 by Jason Johnson. It now has roughly 55 patents in the world of locks, keys, and Windows doors. August is an expert in the field of home automation. It is the only smart lock that works with more smart home platforms than any other. It works with Apple HomeKit, Z-Wave, and SimpliSafe, as well as industry standards like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. August is the one for you if you want the most acceptable alternatives for connecting your smart lock to your other smart home gadgets. It also does not require any form of membership service to use its most advanced capabilities. You have all the excellent stuff if you have the lock. Number 1. Canary. Canary is a single device with an HD video camera and many sensors. It can monitor everything from movement, temperatures, and air quality to vibration, sound, and activity to keep you, your family, and your home safe. Canary is a home security system that you can control totally from your iPhone or Android device. It notifies you when it detects anything out of the routine, from abrupt temperature changes that may signal fire to sound and movement that could suggest an incursion. Receive, view, and act on notifications in real time, no matter where you are. Canary learns your home's rhythms over time and sends you better alarms. Canary is the most secure approach to keeping safe. Canary is built to provide you with an extensive feature set that you may turn on and off to suit your requirements. You can still respond to crises even if you're not at home. When Canary detects a problem, it quickly warns you. Canary's app and core service are free, and you may use both on as many phones as you like. What did you think of our video? Let me know about your favorite part of the video in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more home automation videos, subscribe and leave a comment saying I subscribed, and I'll personally reply to you in the comments. See you next time. Thanks for watching.